This is our first look at the detailed 360-degree Galaxy Note 20 render. The first real Galaxy Note 20 Ultra render have leaked a couple of weeks ago, giving us detailed look at the phone exterior design and especially the rear-facing camera setup. Those initial renders were accidentally shared by Samsung itself, so they should reflect the flagship final design very closely. Now, prominent industry leakers evleaks has acquired a 360-degree render of the smaller Galaxy Note 20, and the camera difference between it and the Ultra model are more evident than ever. The Galaxy Note 20 360-degree render shared by evleaks on its patron page reveals a triple camera setup that lacks time-of-flight sensor or laser autofocus module. More so, the render seemingly confirms that the Galaxy Note 20 lacks a periscopic type camera, meaning it won't have the same zoom capabilities as the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The 360-degree view of Galaxy Note 20 also appears to confirm that at least the smaller S Pen flagship will have a flat display. We have known about this possibility for about a month now, but it's unclear whether this change in design will be adopted solely by Galaxy Note 20 or by both. Other design details revealed by render including an Infinity O display with a selfie cutout in the center, similar to Galaxy Note 10 series. Very earlier rumors suggested that Samsung may finally introduce in-display selfie camera with the Galaxy Note 20 series, but the technology is not yet viable for the consumer market, so we are getting an Infinity O panel instead. Last but not the least, the Galaxy Note 20 carries its physical button on the right edge, and we have to admit that the matte finish dissipated in this render looks stunning. So guys, what do you think about this 360-degree video for the Galaxy Note 20? Let us know your thoughts on the Galaxy Note 20 exterior design in the comment section below, and also please do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.